How to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix why we can't send friend requests on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So there may be various reasons why you are not unable to send friend request to a specific person. One of them is because you have sent too many requests. You might have already recently sent a large number of friend requests, due to which you are not able to send two friend requests to that particular person. So what you can do is instead is just remove your friend requests. For that, you may just go to the Facebook app and here go to this friend section, and here you should be able to see this friend request option. What you can do is simply tap on this three dot and see view sent request. If there is too many friend requests, what you can do is simply hit this cancel option and the request will be cancelled, and see if that fixes your issue or not. Another may be because your request have been unanswered, like some of your previous friend requests might not have been answered. That may be one of the reasons due to which the friend request option is not available. Or the third thing is your request have been marked as unwelcomed by another person. The person you are trying to send friend request, some of your previous friend requests might have been marked as unwelcome, which may be one of the reason. Another thing is you may have reached the friend limit. You can have up to 5,000 friends on Facebook, and if you have already had 5,000 friend requests, you have reached your friend limit, due to which you are not unable to make any more friends, which may be one of the reason. So make sure to have less than 5,000 in order to send friend requests to send to one specific person again. And the next reason may be because the person you want to add has just adjusted their privacy settings. Like the person may have just set up their settings like only my friends can send me friend request, or mutual friends can send me friend request. Such kind of settings they may have set on their profile, due to which you are not able to send friend request or add that person on your Facebook. So therefore, this is how you know if why you can't send friend requests on your Facebook and how you can solve them. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.